Edward and Al decide to hit the books, but they soon get distracted by Shou's daughter Nina and her big ass dog Alexander. Who the fuck names a dog Alexander? Who jumps the fuck out of Edward, and Edward starts tweaking, trying to chase down the dog. But on the low, he was just trying to find any excuse not to study. Looking like me when I got countless assignments due. Ain't no one trying to do that shit. So as expected, the brothers made absolutely zero progress on their research, and Tucker tried to tease Edward for this. But it's not funny when you're next, as he gets hit with the rent due notification from the commissioner, saying if he's still a one-hit wonder in research by the end of the week, then he'll be stripped of his state alchemist title. Tragic, I know. All the funding for his beautiful home will all be gone. Then he's gotta put fries in the bag just to put food on the table for his daughter. Shit's looking spooky for him.